Creating chamfers and inside corner radii on grooves can be a nightmare, but with the most powerful and easy to use conversational menu in the industry, KipwareT makes it a breeze. KipwareT contains multiple conversational menus for multiple grooving scenarios, including straight grooves, tapered grooves, face grooves, shoulder grooving, and even full radius grooves. All with easy-to-complete fill-in-the-blank forms that will create the G-code in seconds, no drawing or CAD/CAM experience required. Now our powerful groove profiling menu comes standard and is so easy to use that anyone can create complex OD and ID groove profiles in seconds. No G-code nor CAD drawing or experience is required. The menus include both OD and ID profiling. Users can easily describe any of the four corners. Corners 1 and 2 can have any user-defined taper or chamfer at any angle or any user-defined radius. Corners 3 and 4 on the inside can have any user-defined radius. In addition, any corner can simply be left square as well. Making any changes or revisions can be done in seconds. Can go from a chamfer to a radius, change any spec for any corner, and get the results in seconds. Taking a look at a sample groove profile, we'll describe corner 1 as a chamfer, 90 thousandths by 45 degrees. Corner 2 will be a radius with 130 thousandths radius. Corners 3 and 4 will have 60 thousandths radius. Once the inputs are in, hit Create Program, and the software will go through and create the profile program for that particular groove. To make any change to the profile, we can simply call back the conversational menu and make corner 1 a radius, same as corner 2. Create Program will update the program. Review the toolpath. To make another revision, we can bring back the menu and square the two corners on the inside. Create the program to update and review the toolpath. We continue to strive to create cutting-edge features that allow users to create powerful G-code programs for complex shapes without the need for or use of a CAD model, CAD drawing, nor CAD/CAM experience. We invite you to visit KentechInc.com for complete information on Kipware Conversational and to see how adding Kipware to your CNC programming arsenal can take your shop's productivity to the next level.